So you're scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, and every face you see is glowing, sculpted, and perfect. But if you're like me, you're looking in the mirror wondering where those features are hiding, right? Well, we're about to unleash them. Today, I'm showing you practical ways to enhance what makes you unique without feeling like you need a makeup artist on speed dial. Today, we're talking about enhancing those stunning facial features you've got. And no, I don't mean slapping on 17 layers of contour until you look like a whole new person. Let's be real, I'm here to help you look like you, just on I woke up like this mode. So grab a mirror, a snack, maybe a friend if you're feeling social, and get ready, because I'm giving you the insider scoop on easy, doable tips to make your face look like a work of art, without actually changing your whole face. Alright, let's get to it. So here's the deal. Not everyone wants to wear makeup every day, and honestly, who has time to be blending and contouring at 7 a.m.? Sometimes, enhancing your look is about working with what you've already got. Today, we're talking about ways to naturally boost those features so you're looking like the best version of yourself, even if you're just rolling out of bed. These tips are simple, totally natural, and won't require a single makeup brush. Face massage for definition. Facial massages, especially in the morning, can help reduce puffiness, improve blood circulation, and even enhance the contour of your face over time. Using a jade roller or just your hands, gently massage along your jawline, cheeks, and forehead. It's like your own at-home facelifting spa. Eyebrow grooming. Even without makeup, regularly trimming, shaping, and brushing your eyebrows can make a huge difference. Brows frame your face and give it definition, so a little grooming can make your features look naturally enhanced. Good posture for jawline definition. Posture might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but standing or sitting with good posture, head up, shoulders back, can make the jawline appear more defined and your overall face shape look more elongated. Smiling and expressions. Believe it or not, a genuine smile or little expressions can bring life to your face. Smiling enhances cheekbones and adds a natural glow to your features, making you look more approachable and attractive without any product. Healthy diet for skin brightness. Eating foods rich in vitamins and antioxidants, like berries, leafy greens, and nuts, helps improve skin quality. Explain how a few diet tweaks can bring out natural radiance, making skin clearer and eyes brighter. Alright, we've covered the natural stuff. And now let's talk makeup, because sometimes we all just want that little extra boost. The trick here is to enhance, not cover up or create a whole new face. These are simple, easy to follow makeup hacks that bring out your best features without turning you into a whole different person. The foundation. Preparing your canvas. Before we talk about enhancing features, let's make sure the canvas, aka your face, is ready to shine. Skin prep. Mention the essentials of clean, hydrated skin because glowing skin makes every feature pop. Like, who knew H2O had this much power? Exfoliation and moisturizing. How light exfoliation and moisturizing create a smooth base for everything else, subtly hinting that dead skin won't exactly help our glow-up mission. Primer magic. The role of primer in smoothing texture, filling fine lines, and making skin look radiant, without the actual makeup look. Brows that wow. Eyebrows are literally the face's power players. They're like tiny, expressive billboards above our eyes. Finding the right shape, choosing a brow shape that enhances face shape without looking overly defined. Brow techniques. Filling in brows naturally, using a spoolie and pencil to get that I just woke up like this fullness. The goal is to avoid angry caterpillars. We're aiming for subtle definition, not taking flight with overly arched brows. Eyes that pop, naturally. If eyes are the windows to the soul, let's give them a really nice frame. Brightening up, applying a bit of highlighter on the inner corners of the eyes for an instant, refreshed look. Eyeliner tips. The basics of tight lining, lining just above the lashes, to make lashes look naturally fuller and eyes bigger. Mascara mastery, applying mascara that lengthens and separates lashes without clumping. Cheekbones and contour, but keep it natural. Alright, now we're getting into contour territory, but in a way that doesn't leave you looking like you've got stripes on your face. Soft contouring, cheekbones and jawline with a shade slightly darker than skin tone. Blending tips. Emphasize the importance of blending. If not done right, contouring can go from sculpted to striped real fast. Blush basics. The art of placing blush to add dimension without overpowering. A touch of blush on the high points can make a face look lifted and lively. Lips. Plump and defined. Lips are like the grand finale. They finish the look and give that extra pop. Lining for definition. Lining lips just slightly outside their natural line can enhance their fullness without being over the top. Gloss placement. A pro tip about adding gloss to the center of the lips to create a subtle, plumping effect. We're going for a soft, full effect, not Kylie Jenner 2015 level overlining. The power of light and angles. Lighting might seem like a Hollywood trick, but it's actually an easy way to enhance features, even in real life. Using natural light, facing a light source, like a window, to give skin a natural glow without a filter. Mirror setup at home. Quick tips on placing mirrors at home in spots with good lighting, so your face looks its best whether you're doing makeup or snapping selfies. Funny aside about how bathroom lighting can sometimes make you question your life choices, so let's set ourselves up for better lighting. And there you have it. Everything you need to level up your look, naturally or with a bit of glam. Now remember, the goal here isn't to become some flawless, airbrushed version of yourself. The goal is to bring out your best features, quirks and all. Because let's be real, no one wants to look like a clone of everyone else on the internet. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and maybe even share it with a friend who needs a little beauty boost. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, you're already fabulous. Now you're just leveling up. Catch you in the next video.